this right here, this beaut right here. Oh, I'm sorry for the Anna and Elsa thing. This is Emma's lunch table where she like eats stuff, like hot stuff, like ramen noodles.
Yeah, a little.
Yeah. She's right there playing with this butter slime.
Whoa, look at it.
You guys can't see her face.
So clear.
Yeah, it's clear.
We don't really want to do a face reveal on her yet. She's a surprise. So is my sister.
I kind of showed her face a little bit. You guys kind of get a sneak peek. You guys already saw my face
All right.
and her face.
On to the next slide.
We'll do a face reveal.
On to the next slide. Oh! Which is gonna be this one. This is also
That one's kind of the same color, but this one has
this
blue in
is a
it.
clear
That
one.
one's just blue. I meant
This
just
is clear,
purple,
guys.
and this one is blue and purple, so it's kind of like a royal blue.
Guys,
As you
this
can
is
see.
clear.
Yeah,
Trust me.
I told them.
Okay. This is another clear.
We're trying to make the videos short because I hate when people do like an hour video
It takes
of
too
showing
long.
slime. That's what I do, but I like hate it.
But she doesn't.
This one's so pretty. It looks black, but
It
when you
looks
stretch
black,
it, it's
but
blue.
It's literally amazing. It's basically like changing colors.
Uh-huh.
Like, look at
This
it.
one's a little bit sticky because clear slime melts very easily.
It
If you don't have
does.
air conditioner, then it is going to melt most likely.
That like flown. Okay. Peace. Show you our slimes later.